Debt. It's a word that can strike fear into the hearts of many. The weight of owing money can feel suffocating, overwhelming, and never-ending. But it doesn't have to be that way. There are strategies you can implement to become debt-free faster and achieve financial freedom sooner. One of the first steps in mastering debt is to take a good, hard look at your current financial situation. This means gathering all of your financial statements, credit card bills, loan documents, and any other debt-related paperwork. It's important to have a clear understanding of how much you owe, to whom you owe it, and what the interest rates are on each debt. Once you have a clear picture of your debt, it's time to create a budget. This may sound daunting, but it's essential for getting your finances back on track. Start by listing all of your monthly expenses, including rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation costs, and any other necessary expenses. Then, compare your total expenses to your total income. If you're spending more than you're earning, it's time to make some adjustments. One way to free up extra money to put towards your debt is to cut back on non-essential expenses. This could mean eating out less, canceling subscription services you don't use, or finding more affordable alternatives for things like cable or cell phone plans. Every dollar you save can be put towards paying off your debt faster. Another strategy for becoming debt-free faster is to prioritize your debts. This means focusing on paying off high-interest debts first, while making minimum payments on lower interest debts. By tackling your highest interest debts first, you can minimize the amount of money you're spending on interest each month, allowing you to pay off your debts more quickly. If you have multiple debts with high interest rates, you may want to consider consolidating your debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This can make it easier to manage your debt and can save you money on interest payments in the long run. Just be sure to do your research and compare loan offers before making a decision. In addition to consolidating your debts, you may also want to consider negotiating with your creditors to see if you can lower your interest rates or work out a more manageable payment plan. Many creditors are willing to work with you if you're upfront about your financial situation and show a willingness to make payments. Another important strategy for becoming debt-free faster is to avoid taking on new debt. This means resisting the urge to use credit cards for unnecessary purchases and being mindful of your spending habits. If you find yourself tempted to make a purchase you can't afford, take a step back and ask yourself if it's worth going further into debt for. Finally, it's important to stay motivated and focused on your goal of becoming debt-free. This may mean setting small, achievable milestones along the way, such as paying off a certain amount of debt each month or reaching a specific debt-free date. Celebrate your successes along the way, and don't be too hard on yourself if you have setbacks. Remember, becoming debt-free is a journey, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. In conclusion, mastering debt and achieving financial freedom is possible with the right strategies and mindset. By taking a proactive approach to managing and reducing your debt, you can free yourself from the burden of owing money and create a more secure financial future for yourself. So take control of your finances, make a plan, and start working towards a debt-free life today.